How's it going, everybody? FX Street coming to you with an updated video on Link against the US dollar. Um, we're just going to be going over the technicals, trying to figure out if this is one of the coins we should be investing in. Before we get into this video, though, make sure you guys know, check us out on Twitter at FX Crypto and our YouTube at FXS Street. Let me entertain the idea the crypto market. Uh, I could see, a small last liquidity grab, especially at these key levels here. Yeah, definitely. Um, Before we see some kind of move. The reason I'm going off of that is, when you put the parallel channel above, we have connected into a parallel channel. It really depends on how you want to read this. This is a tough one. You got a big grand super cycle wave one here. One here. You could also say this was a leading diagonal here. This is a very tricky one, man, to be honest with you guys. We're not really here to get academic. We're probably gonna see a reaction here. Will it fall 30% more first before we get a bounce? It's possible. I think Bitcoin has that scenario in play. Ultimately, everyone's looking at the 200-week moving average for most of these coins, and we still haven't heard of it, unfortunately. I do like that it's coiling at the bottom half of the range, so this kind of scenario makes sense when you see that kind of price action occurring. I would like to see it get taken out. But yeah, 70% increase just into the 200-week MA. Also have an apex here from an ending diagonal. It did hit its original target up here. So you definitely have some levels of interest, man. Definitely some levels of interest here that could get taken out. Okay. I also like, excuse me, I also like the increase. I put this here before. Where's the volume? Now I am seeing some volume. 4 days coming in here. So I'm liking what I'm seeing. So overall count, though, to be honest, just the way I'm seeing it. This entire move has 5 waves. This was the 3 here that breached the trend channel. So if you wanted to play safe, your invalidation would be here. I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes a little bit lower. That's 80% invalidation. Still not the best situation of the bunch. It's still not the best crypto of the bunch. But it could surely give a bounce. Things you gotta keep in mind. This is a shallow 2 here. These are deep 2s, if that's the way you want to read it. This is a deep 2. So, and then you have some shallow 4s. Is it going to be a shallow grand super cycle wave 2? It's really hard to predict, man. It's a tough one. But yeah, ultimately, I think maybe other wave won't really be necessary for the next couple of weeks per se on this chart. Just kind of going off a classical style trading method. Look for the key levels. I'm on the 4-day, but a week or the 2-week chart. see a close below and that above. It's something to look for. Um, it's really game for a little bit longer. They're definitely building up for something here, so watch out for the liquidity grab. Definitely an interesting level here. What's going on here? You know, interesting smart money here. So I would say, this liquidity grab of 40% is very possible. Ultimately, the 200-week moving average is a great target to aim for, and this, if you want to hodl 1875 zone, looks looks like it could happen, man. It looks like it could happen. So this is all I'm gonna say is pertaining to Link. The next couple coming weeks, I do think we will see some bullish moves. So, if you wanna approach this from a day trading perspective, maybe we'll be updating you guys on a weekly basis. So things will be changing. This is all your video for all you. This is everything for Link. Your updated video. Make sure you guys know. Check us out on Twitter, FXS Crypto, and YouTube at FX Street. And I'll see you on the next one.